multi-touch tabletops are designed to combine the benefits of a physical table and a digital computer. However, most tabletops, especially those with a capacitive display, cannot discriminate between touch events that are generated by different objects. Any part of the human body or metal can easily generate touch events on the tabletop. This makes users overly cautious during interaction to avoid triggering unwanted touches, driving users away from a relaxed, natural experience. In our research, we leveraged gaze, head, and contact data to identify and filter unintentional touches. Our intuition comes from humans' eye-hand coordination. Usually where we look is where we have interests, therefore where we touch. We used 6 spatiotemporal feature types to train machine learning models to identify touch intention. The gradient boosting was able to classify unintentional touches with an accuracy of over 90%. We then implemented a real-time filtering system. Our user study showed that our tabletop could provide a more natural experience. Finally, we show the contrast between both map navigation and photo categorization operations before and after filtering.